it's Adina again, and I'm coming to you with our next episode of Dancehall Aerobics Fitness. Thanks for visiting. And today we're gonna do a quick routine. I usually love the old school dancehall. Well, this is like a couple years back. And when I had classes, people loved this routine. So I'm gonna break it down for you real quick, and I want you guys to follow along, okay? So first, in the routine, we are going to walk it out for 4, then bring it up. So follow along. So step 2, 3, 4. Make sure you add the shoulders. Step 2, 3, 4. All right. Then champion, hey, champion, champion. All right. Now we're gonna iron bird and swag with it. And iron bird and swag with it. We're gonna reciprocal 1, 2, 3, 4, arms up, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, arms up, 2, 3, 4, cut them off, cut them off, cut them off, cut them off, and then from the top again. All right, so you got that. So the routine is a little fast, but like I always tell my students, if you don't get it the first verse, get it the next one, and then we'll do it again. All right, so enjoy the routine.
Yes, words from the past. Don't say you love me, man, me no love. Stop having me, just take it a forward. Hypocrite boy, you're dirty like mud.
We're gonna walk it out.
You wanna be go?
Stay low with it. Hey. Last one. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Get ready. Cut them on. Cut them. From the top, work it out. Last one, cut them off.
Me no have time for no boy when no remember when the world pass to fit in. Let them from nothing to something, bring them from the get
Rock it up.
Make sure you guys are bad. Just get a little high and not try to lift the bar.
Champion.
Remember say, I am the champion. I am the champion. I am the champion. I do what you tell them.
All right, so we're gonna do another routine. It's another up-tempo routine. I'm gonna modify it for beginners, and if you advance or whatever, you can do it the advanced way. So the first step, we're gonna bring it low and touch the floor. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, from there, low, we're gonna wave. 1, 2, 1, 2. We're gonna bring it up, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, 3, 4. From there, we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? From there, we're gonna do a stylish move. Walk it out. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. So here's the part where you can modify. So you can jump up in the air with it or you can stay low. All right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot to top. 2, 3, 4. Up. 2, 3, 4. Hot to top. 2, 3, 4. Up. 2, 3, 4. Hot to top. Through T. Modification. Hot to top. Mod. Hot to top. And then from the top again. Low. All right? There you go.
Yo, Titi, I want up for the chorus, son. Yo, trim them. I'm serious.
Take it low. Here we go. Go. Wave. Bring it up. Touch. Go. Lift. Arms. Stylish. Go. Hey, go. Next leg now. Last one. Hey. Hot it up. Hot it up. Hot it up. Bring it low. Wave. Go. Hey. Hey. Up. Go. Money. Hey. Bring it up. Hot it up. 2, 4. Hey. Hope you enjoyed our workout. Check us out for the next workout. Dancehall Aerobics. Make sure you subscribe. Hope you had a good time. Let's pull it down. Just freestyle with it.